The measurement browser is used to review measurements for different tests and to apply different operations on them. It can be used to export data in different formats and to start new tests or measurements. Before opening the measurement browser, you have to select Project, Visit, Subject, and a finished test. To open the measurement browser, click on the Open Measurements button. The measurement browser consists of two panels. The left panel contains 4 views: Analysis, where the currently selected measurement is shown. Comparison shows the currently selected measurement with the reference measurement. Under Repetitions, there is a list of finished measurements. Dashboard displays the data based on the selected template. Additionally, there are 2 export functions: Export Signals and Export Result Parameters. The other way to open the measurement browser is to click the Measurement Browser button on the main window. Select a test, project, visit, subject, combination of input parameters, and repetition for which you want to open the measurement. Click Confirm to open the measurement.